Danco presents the all-in-one toilet installation kit. The easiest way to install a toilet. No mess, no tools, no worries. If you are reinstalling an existing toilet, you will need to clean your flange from all wax residue and check for any cracks or damage. If noticeable, you should replace or repair your flange before starting. Let's begin the installation process. With gray lock nut loosened, insert brass T-bolt. You will need to center the T-bolt and begin hand tightening the gray lock nut. You will need to determine if your flange is above, level, or below the floor before continuing. If your flange is above or level with the floor, you can take off the blue adapter. If your flange is below the floor, you will need to keep the blue adapter attached. You will also need to remove the wax paper before installing. Align the holes on the perfect seal with the T-bolts you previously installed on the flange. Place the alignment bullets into T-bolts. This will help you position the toilet for installation. Once you have aligned the toilet over alignment bullets, press firmly, pushing the wax ring down to allow for a perfect seal. Unlike traditional wax rings, the perfect seal allows you to reposition the toilet without breaking the seal and without a mess. So if the toilet is not flush with the floor, you will need to remove the black round plastic insert inside of the rubber seal, like this. Then reposition the toilet. You will need to check the location of the rib on the alignment bullet before continuing. If the rib is above the toilet base, you will not need the extender and could just use the bolt. If the rib is below the toilet base, you will need to thread the extender into the T-bolt, then use the bolt. No tools are needed as the slide adapter acts as a wrench, tightening the bolt system into place against the base of the toilet. Warning: hand tighten only. Use of a tool can cause damage to the toilet. You may want to use the white spacer if you cannot get the bolt tightly positioned. The slide adapter should be positioned towards the front of the toilet before installing the low-profile cap. Align the cap over the adapter and simply twist. Repeat on other side and you're done.